Why is sleep important for muscle recovery?
Sleep is more than just rest for your mind. It's a crucial time for your body to repair muscle tissue. Research shows that during deep sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which helps rebuild muscle fibers stressed during exercise. Lack of quality sleep reduces this repair process, slowing down recovery and potentially increasing the risk of injury.
How sleep stages affect muscle repair?
The different stages of sleep play unique roles in muscle recovery. Deep or slow-wave sleep is when most tissue growth and repair happens, thanks to higher growth hormone release. REM sleep, on the other hand, supports the nervous system, which is essential for coordinated movement and athletic performance. Missing out on either stage can hinder full recovery.
Athletic performance and sleep.
Getting enough quality sleep can boost your performance on the field or in the gym. Studies have found that athletes who get adequate sleep have better reaction times, improved strength, and more endurance. Chronic sleep deprivation, in contrast, leads to slower muscle recovery, increased fatigue, and more frequent injuries.
How much sleep do you need?
Experts generally recommend that adults get 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night for optimal recovery. For athletes or those training intensely, even more sleep may be beneficial. Consistent sleep patterns help regulate hormones involved in muscle repair and protect overall health, making it a cornerstone of any effective fitness routine.
Tips for better sleep and faster recovery.
Creating a sleep-friendly environment can speed up muscle recovery. Try to keep a regular bedtime, limit caffeine and screen time in the evening, and make your bedroom dark and cool. Practicing relaxation techniques, such as gentle stretching or mindfulness, can also help improve your sleep quality and give your muscles more time to recover.